This video will review subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate conjunctions are also called subordinating conjunctions. These are words used to introduce a dependent clause and to show the relationship between the independent clause and the dependent clause. Remember, an independent clause is a group of words that can stand alone as a complete sentence and includes a subject and a verb. A dependent clause is a group of words that also has a subject and a verb but cannot stand alone. Look at these examples. The first has a subject, Texas Longhorn cattle, and a verb, will graze, and it expresses a complete thought. What do the Texas Longhorn cattle do? They will graze on a variety of wild plants. The second example also has a subject and a verb, Texas Longhorn cattle, graze, but it does not express a complete thought. We are left wondering. Because Texas Longhorn cattle graze on a variety of plants, what? What happens to them? Because they graze on a variety of wild plants, they get tummy aches, they die, they live long and happy lives. Let's review. A subordinate clause is a type of dependent clause. It begins with a subordinate conjunction. It is not a complete sentence. It must be paired with an independent clause to form a sentence. Here is a list of some common subordinate conjunctions. You may want to pause the video to look at these. Take a look at these subordinate clauses. They each begin with a subordinate conjunction. Although each one contains a subject and a verb, they are not complete sentences because they are not complete thoughts. Each one leaves you wondering, what next? Think of a good independent clause to finish each of these sentences. You may do this orally or you may write down your ideas. Once you are finished, start the video again to see some sample responses. Here are some ideas to turn these subordinate clauses into complete sentences. After Jenny sneezed on the birthday cake, no one would eat it. Because Benny stayed up so late, he fell asleep in class. Even though it rained all day, we had fun building tents in the living room with bed sheets. Whenever Susie ate ice cream, her dog sat patiently waiting to lick the drips off her hands and legs. Did you come up with better ideas? In conclusion, subordinate clauses can be used as sentence openers. Using them can add variety to your writing, helping it to flow better.